Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to the first episode of our tutorial series Graphic Answer, where I'll be very quickly showing you how to make a banner with text using Adobe Illustrator. We'll start with your text and center it up vertically and horizontally. Now draw a rectangle around the text and fill that motherfucker with a medium gray for this simple example. Align it to the center of the artboard and send it to the back. Then change the text fill to white. We need another rectangle the same height as this one, so copy, paste in place, and then resize the new rectangle. Using the pen tool and smart guides, add an anchor point exactly halfway up this left side and move that shit to the right a bit to give this edge some shape. We'll now move the object down and to the right so it overlaps the first rectangle and send the object to the back. We need to mirror what we've just created onto the other side, and because it has vertical symmetry, we can just copy, paste in place, rotate 180 degrees, and move it over. Position these two end pieces so that they overlap the original rectangle and are roughly centered, then group them together and use the Align tools to center them up precisely. Zoom in on the left side and draw a triangle in this corner, then fill it with a dark gray. Now you could just copy, paste, and reflect this onto the other side, but fuck that shit when we can just as quickly draw another one using the pen tool and smart guides. Select all and group everything, and use the warp arch tool to give it a slight bend. And that's it. We can also back up a few steps and modify this to get a different style of banner. All you have to do is reflect and move one of the ends to the top. Group the two ends, then center align them horizontally and vertically. Now select all and group everything again and use the warp flag tool to give it a little wave. You can, of course, choose your own colors, and it's fun to experiment with more complex designs like this one. And because we're using live effects to produce the result, we remain able to edit the text. So thanks for watching the first episode of Graphic Answer. I hope you fucking subscribe.